Congratulations on getting your offer accepted and welcome to Escrow. The purpose of this video is to give you all the important information you'll need, and we've actually created a 10-step series taking you all the way from right here to the end when we're going to be able to give you those keys. There's going to be a lot of moving parts as we move through this process, but you have a whole team around you. Of course, you've got me here, but you've also got other team members. You know your lender is going to be a main point of contact. You've already spent plenty of time getting to this point with your loan officer, but there's also going to be a transaction coordinator, the escrow officer, and other people that are going to help walk you through this process. So please try not to stress out too much about all of this. I'll give you a quick explanation of who's who in this transaction. We're going to start with the Escrow Company. They're an independent third party, and they really act as the Switzerland for all people involved. We've got home inspectors, and they are the hub, kind of the glue that holds the whole thing together. We've also got a title insurance company and a title rep that you typically will not have too much interaction with, but they do play an important role, making sure that you're not going to be moving into a property that has any secret liens or issues with the title of ownership. An example would be something like a homeowners association lien for something that wasn't paid, or a tax lien, or maybe a liability against the ownership of the property because a previous owner was in a fight with a contractor and they put a lien on the property. All of these things are possible, but that is the purpose of the title rep and the title insurance policy that you're going to be getting. We've also got some important dates included here, the most important of which is going to be your acceptance date and your close of escrow date. But in between there, we've got some other important dates, most specifically pertaining to contingency removal dates. And we'll talk more about those as we move through this series. So again, congratulations and thank you very much for choosing me to help you through this process. I am super excited for you and I can't wait to help you get to the finish line. Talk to you soon.